Hi everybody, it's Tim Rowland. You read the title, you know what it is. I always say that. But yeah, I'll admit I don't really know how to pronounce this very well, but this is the Eustachi review, I guess is how you pronounce it. It's kind of sad that I don't know how to pronounce it because I've been using it for a while. I think I mentioned it on this channel before, but sometime back had an ear problem, still do. Now I will say that Eustachi didn't solve my problem, but I think that's because it's a little beyond the capability. I have blockage like behind my eardrum, and this wasn't really built for that. So it's something called Meniere's disease. If you have that, this isn't going to solve that. But if you don't have that and you just want to pop your ears like better than you ever have before, this is perfect for that. Anyway, what I'm talking about is this thing here. So, like I said, I guess you pronounce it Eustachi, and I just realized it's probably going to be backward in the camera. But still, anyway, it's this. You know that I don't put affiliate links on this channel, hence the name, no affiliate links. So, if you will, just give this video a like. But also, I will tell you that I found this online. So, if you just Google it, you'll find it. It's probably on Amazon. They probably sell it at Walmart. I think it's pretty much all over the place, but anyway, it's Eustachi, which is why I keep calling it Eustachi. But it's a very simple device. You see it here. I mean, it even looks simple. There's a button right here, if you can see that, the little blue button here, and batteries go in there, and I think it takes AA, I believe. Yeah, it takes two AA's. And it looks funny, but it works. The way you use this is you plug one nostril, put this part up to this nostril, you hold down the button for 2 seconds, and then swallow. And what it does is it forces the little tube that you have here, it actually forces all the crap down that tube, so it basically clears out your ears. And then you, of course, do the other side. So, like I said, it's very simple to use. If you want to pop your ears, if you're somebody who's always popping their ears or always, like, you know how your ear closes off, that kind of thing. If you're one of those people, definitely get this. It is well worth the money. I'll be honest, I don't remember how much I paid for it, and the price has probably changed by now anyway. And plus, like a lot of things, it probably depends on, you know, where you buy it from. So, I know it wasn't that much, though. I know it was pretty cheap. Either way, like I said, whatever it costs, it was worth it because it will actually pop your ears. It does help. Even with my problem, it helps, but it won't solve it. Like I said, I'm having to do a bunch of different stuff and just hope that it pops one day completely because I have blockage behind my ear. But if you don't have that problem, this is perfect. So yes, would recommend. Like I said, I don't use affiliate links on this channel, as you know. So the way you pay me and to show appreciation is just hit the thumbs up button. If you would do that, I would greatly appreciate it. Right now, I literally don't make anything from this channel because I don't use affiliate links, and the channel's not eligible to be monetized yet. So right now, doing it for free. But I don't mind because, you know, I like helping you guys out. That really is why I started this channel, because I got tired of all the affiliate links all over YouTube. It's hard to trust a review when you know the person makes money from it. So I thought, well, I'm going to make this channel, use no affiliate links. That way people know that I'm going to give you my honest, unbiased opinion. So that's that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. I'm doing a whole bunch of these. So you're going to see this setup again. So anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like the video. Bye for now.